What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and I got a little problem. Well, not really a problem, it's more like a YouTube problem. I have too many videos to make, I have a lot of things to do, and I don't know where to start. Should I start a new project? Should I clean my bike? Should I do the modifications? Should I do maintenance to my bike? And it was really a dilemma what I was gonna do today, but I figured I better start the modifications, take off the parts of the bike that I need to mod, get a good start on that, do the preparation and all that. So what we're gonna do today is take off the parts that we need to modify and what we need to test the modifications with. So let's just get into it and start with that. So the modifications that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna modify, well, improve the license plate holder because it is floppy and it broke right here. Now I got a new license plate holder from brcracing.be. That's where I got the bike from. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change out the tail light, and yeah, that's gonna be it. So what we need to do is figure out how the electrical system works for this taillight and brake light. The new taillight that I got, I'm gonna show you in another video. This is gonna be a whole project. Not really sure if I'm gonna clean the bike, maybe rinse it off, get some preparation on the whole cleaning process, because if you look, oh man, it's so dirty and I really don't like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fetch some tools and get started on disassembling this whole bike and figuring out what the electrical system is, how it works, and well, mainly the tail light. What is brake light, what is riding light, and the license plate light. So yeah, let's just get into it. It's gonna be some work. Try to remember it. I'm gonna try to put the bike without the license plate holder and the light back together as good as I can get it, so I can clean the bike while I do the modifications, while I test everything out, and I still can clean the bike. So let's get some tools and just get into it. So that went pretty quickly. Now I located the wires for the tail light. It's this green, white and brown one. Now before I want to disconnect it and remove the whole tail light section, I just want to figure out which wire goes for what. What is the brake light? So what I need to do is just turn the bike on. Now we can see the light is going, and what we're going to check is when I pull a wire, what happens. Okay, I just disconnected the brown wire, and what we can see, the light still works, the brake light still works. So this means our brown wire is our riding light. Now let's pull the green one. Light goes out, no brake light. So this means green is ground. Okay, now what should happen when I pull the white wire is that the light will stay on, but the brake light won't work. Okay, the light is still on and brake light doesn't work. So now we know how the electrical system works. The brown wire is our tail light, the green wire is ground, and the white wire is our brake light. So now we can disassemble everything, put everything back together, and well, not everything back together, but put it back together enough, then we can start our modifications. So this is where we're at. The whole tail section is removed. It looks awkward, but yeah. So now we can prep the parts for modifications. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace this, do some modifications on this, get a new tail light, and yeah, drill some holes to improve this, that it doesn't shake anymore, doesn't break anymore. So yeah, wasn't a big job, not pretty hard. I did it once before, so it wasn't that hard figuring out how to get everything assembled or disassembled. But yeah, now we're ready for the modifications and probably get the bike some cleaning because it's way too dirty and yeah, I don't really like it. What I'm also gonna do, I'm gonna pull out the battery because I wanna test the brake light and the tail light at home. So I need a battery for that, and what better battery than the battery that comes in your bike. So I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So your battery is located on the right side of the bike and you just pop this off. It's a little bit stiff, but shouldn't take much effort. Yeah. And here is your battery. Now we're gonna loosen up the terminals, put the screws back where they belong, that way you don't lose them. You can always get replacement screws, but yeah, that's a hassle. And then you pull on this rubber band and disconnect it. Well, get this off and pull out your battery. And here it is. And then you put back on the cover and then you're good. I don't know why, but lately I'm getting the question, hey, the tool compartment, how do you open it on your Brixton? And I'm like, tool compartment? What tool compartment? And what many people are talking about is this. Now when I bought the bike, the guy who sold me the bike also thought it was a tool compartment, and we opened it up and it wasn't a tool compartment. But because so many people are asking me about the tool compartment and how to open it, I'm just gonna open it and show you that it's not a tool compartment. So let me get some tools and I show you that it's not. So to get this open, you just push the tabs in with a flathead screwdriver. Just push down and pull on it. And it pops off. Now you can say, hey, there's a tool compartment. Now this is what's behind the tool compartment. There is no tool compartment. As we can see from the other side, there's nothing there. See, there's no tool compartment. It's just this. Don't really know what it is. I think it's the pump for the injector. Not quite sure on that. But yeah, it's no tool compartment, guys. You can just pop this back on. Yeah. Let's get the wires a little bit tucked in there. Put this little lip in here, and then just put it back in the grommets. And yeah, so I hope this clears up the whole mystery of the tool compartment. There's no real tool compartment in this bike. Even if that was a tool compartment, you have to open it up with a screwdriver. Hey, I can imagine at the side of the road when you're in trouble, you don't have a screwdriver just sticking in your pocket to open a tool compartment. It should be much more easier to open. So yeah, I hope this video will pique your interest in what is coming, how the bike will look at the end. I'm sure it's gonna be pretty nice when I finish it. It's the tail light, the license plate, everything. I got some new cleaning products that I'm gonna test out for you guys. some wheel cleaner and some shampoo that I bought. Cost about 30 euros altogether. Not really high-end stuff. Basically a good shampoo and a good wheel cleaner that I'm gonna try out, because I have used a lot of shampoos and wheel cleaners in the past. But it's always to try different brands and see how they work and how they perform. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like and a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm gonna do, or if you have any questions about Brixton itself. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter and on Instagram. And if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. I make weekly videos about Brixton and other stuff, mainly mechanical stuff. So if you like those types of videos, subscribe to see more. Have a good week, and I'll see you in the next one.